Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut oil at home. So please give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. In order to have 200 milliliters of coconut oil, I will use 2 coconuts. Break the coconut and remove the shells. Then I'm going to grate all the coconut. Take your time to do this step. And if you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Once you are done with grating the coconut, add it in a blender. With some water and blend well. Then pass it through a sieve to get the coconut milk. Try to get as much milk as possible. Then pour the coconut milk in a deep pot. And cook until all the liquids evaporate. And you will see the oil on top. This can take up to an hour. Then pass everything through a cloth to get just the oil. And here you have it, natural homemade coconut oil. You can use this everywhere, when cooking or on your skin, face, everywhere. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.